Hello dear student, welcome back again in our lecture series. We are discussing about preparation of alcohol. In last lecture, we have discussed preparation of alcohol by the hydroboration oxidation reaction. Today in this lecture, we will discuss the preparation of alcohol by action of Grignard reagent. Action of Grignard reagent on carbonyl compound. What are the carbonyl compound? The compound which contain carbonyl group C double bond O group, that is carbonyl group. The compounds are aldehydes and ketones, isn't it? When aldehyde and ketone react with Grignard reagent, it gives alcohol on hydrolysis. This reaction takes place in two steps. In first step, this Grignard reagent, that is general formula RMgX. R stands for any alkyl group. It may be methyl, ethyl, propyl, so on. Okay. So when alkyl group is there, alkyl group attached to Mg is, it may be magnesium, it may be another alkali metal, isn't it? And one halogen. It is an organometallic compound. It is class of organometallic compound. Organometallic compound. It is organometallic compound. It is polar in nature. Once magnesium is there, which is less electronegative than carbon, isn't it? The electronegativity of magnesium is less, hence it acquires positive dipole. Electron pair is shifted towards the magnesium, isn't it? And alkyl group, the carbon which is attached to the magnesium, which is more electronegative than magnesium, hence it acquires negative dipole, hence it is polar compound, isn't it? And this electron rich center, can attack on the electron deficient carbon atom, isn't it? So it shows the nucleophilic addition reaction, and we know that in carbonyl compound, the carbonyl carbon is electron deficient. Carbonyl carbon, it means that carbon which is attached to oxygen, isn't it? This carbonyl carbon is electron deficient. Oxygen is being more electronegative, therefore electron pair is shifted towards oxygen. It acquires partial positive charge and oxygen acquires partial negative charge. And we have this organometallic compound Grignard reagent RMgX, isn't it? R stands for any alkyl group. What happened? This is negative dipole, this is positive dipole, isn't it? Now, this shows nucleophilic addition reaction, isn't it? Nucleophilic attack of alkyl group on the electron deficient carbon, isn't it? And there is formation of adduct product, and on hydrolysis of adduct it gives alcohol, and hydrolysis of adduct gives alcohol. OMgX, okay, and this is R. This is called adduct, which is unstable one, isn't it? And now on hydrolysis, H2, acid catalyzed hydrolysis, it gives alcohol. COH plus MgOH X. X stands for any halogen. It may be chlorine, it may be bromine, isn't it? So in this type, in this reaction, we are getting alcohol, OH group. OH group directly attached to carbon. Okay, so it is alcohol. It means that carbonyl compound on action of Grignard reagent gives alcohol. Let us discuss how to prepare primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol with this reaction, action of Grignard reagent on carbonyl compound. First of all, first example we will take as formaldehyde, H, C double bond O, C double bond O, H. This is formaldehyde plus alkyl magnesium bromide, MgX. What happened? This is electropositive, electronegative. Okay. Nucleophilic attack. This step is called nucleophilic attack. Nucleophilic attack of alkyl group from Grignard reagent. Hence, there is formation of product HCOMgX HR. This is adduct product, and on hydrolysis, addition of water, there is formation of HCOH HR. This is 1 degree alcohol or primary alcohol. We are getting 1 degree alcohol plus bromide magnesium hydroxide, MgOH(X). 1 degree alcohol. It means that formaldehyde or IUPAC name of formaldehyde is methanol. Already we have prepared nomenclature video for aldehyde and ketone. You can find that video, watch that video and learn the IUPAC nomenclature. Formaldehyde or methanol, when undergoes addition of Grignard reagent, alkyl magnesium bromide, it gives 1 degree alcohol. How to prepare 2 degree alcohol? Let us see. How to prepare 2 degree alcohol? Second example. Acetaldehyde, second member of aldehyde series, acetaldehyde, CH3, C double bond O, H plus RMgX, alkyl magnesium chloride. Whatever, same mechanism, being electropositive, electrophilic center, our nucleophilic attack. Okay, there is formation of product CH3 COMgX H, alkyl group plus, okay, this is adduct product. It is unstable, undergoes hydrolysis. In second step, formation of CH3 COH H, alkyl group plus MgOH X. Now, this type of alcohol, it is nothing but 2 degree alcohol. 2 degree alcohol or secondary alcohol. What is primary alcohol? What is secondary alcohol? Watch our first video. Already we have discussed what is first 1 degree, what is 2 degree. The alcohol which OH group is attached to 1 degree carbon. What is 1 degree carbon? The carbon which is attached to 2 hydrogen and 1 carbon. Isn't it? What is 2 degree carbon? The functional group which is attached to carbon and which is attached to 2 other carbon atoms and 1 hydrogen atom. That is 2 degree. And what is 3 degree? The carbon atom, 3 degree carbon atom means the carbon atom which is attached to 3 other carbon atom and functional group is attached to that carbon. That alcohol is nothing but tertiary alcohol. Now, this is 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol. formaldehyde on reaction with alkyl magnesium bromide or alkyl magnesium halide gives 1 degree alcohol. Next, that is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Our IUPAC name is ethanol. Acetaldehyde on action of alkyl magnesium halide gives 2 degree alcohol. 2 degree alcohol. Question may be asked, how to prepare 2 degree alcohol from aldehydes? Isn't it? We have to take the acetaldehyde. Isn't it? Formaldehyde gives 1 degree alcohol. Acetaldehyde gives 2 degree alcohol. How to prepare 3 degree alcohol? That we want to discuss. Do the copy, then we will discuss. Okay, how to prepare 3 degree alcohol? We have to take ketone, R, C double bond O, R. This is general formula for ketone. Okay, plus alkyl magnesium halide, MgX. Isn't it? Same way, this is electron deficient carbon atom. Okay, nucleophilic attack of Grignard reagent on carbonyl carbon of ketone, formation of adduct. Okay, R. Okay, we say it is R dash. R, C double bond. Okay, O, M, G, X, R dash, R. This is adduct. Adduct on hydrolysis, addition of water, there is formation of R, C, OH, R, R dash, isn't it? The carbon atom which is attached to 3 other carbon atom or 3 other alkyl group, that is 3 degree carbon atom, and alcohol is known as tertiary alcohol. Therefore, it is 3 degree alcohol. Okay, and byproduct MgOH(X), isn't it? Now let us take example. Ketone. Our first representative member of ketone, acetone, CH3, C double bond O, CH. This is nothing but acetone. What is the IUPAC name of acetone? It is propanone. Propanone or acetone. Acetone is common name. Plus alkyl magnesium bromide. Say it is methyl magnesium chloride. Methyl magnesium chloride. Okay. On nucleophilic attack. Partial negative charge, partial positive charge. Okay. Oxygen will pull electron. This bond will shift here. Then this is electropositive. This nucleophilic attack of alkyl group. Okay. There is formation of adduct, formation of CH3, C, O, MgCl, CH3, CH3. Okay. This is adduct. Adduct on hydrolysis gives, on hydrolysis, addition of water, formation of CH3, COH, CH3, CH3 plus MgOH, Cl. Okay. The name of this alcohol, it is tertiary alcohol, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, it is tertiary butyl alcohol. Common name, tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. or IUPAC name 2-methyl propane to all. 2-methyl propane to all. Propane to all. 2-methyl propane to all or tertiary butyl alcohol. Propanone on addition of methyl magnesium chloride gives 2-methyl propane to all or 2-propanol, 2-methyl 2-propanol, 2-methyl 2-propanol or tertiary butyl alcohol. One can ask, question may be asked, how to prepare tertiary butyl alcohol from propanone, from acetone, isn't it? How will you prepare, how will you convert acetone into 2-methyl propane to all, 2-methyl propane to all? Very simple method is addition of Grignard reagent. Propane we can synthesize by addition of methyl magnesium chloride. On addition, nucleophilic addition on acetone gives 2-methyl propane to all tertiary butyl alcohol. Do the copy, solve another example. Instead of acetone, okay, butanone, hexanone, okay, you can know the homologous series of acetone. Again, you can increase the number of carbon atoms here, methyl, ethyl, propyl, okay, and work out these examples and do the practice. When you will do the practice, you will understand the mechanism. This reaction takes place. I will summarize here. This reaction takes place in 2 steps. First step is nucleophilic addition of Grignard reagent on carbon. And in second step it is hydrolysis. This is nucleophilic addition, this is hydrolysis. So with this we have to stop here. Do the copy, then we will discuss next method. Now we want to discuss preparation of alcohol by fermentation method. So the yeast is used. Yeast is a culture of bacteria, isn't it? When added to the sugar, C6H12O6 is nothing but glucose. And when yeast is added, in fact we are using yeast in while making the various preparation in kitchens, isn't it? So household fermentation for production of bakery product, isn't it? So yeast is used, yeast bacteria which secrete the enzyme invertase and zymase, isn't it? The enzyme zymase secreted by the yeast, it acts as a catalyst, biocatalyst, isn't it? Which enhance the rate of fermentation, isn't it? So there is appearance of fourth, and that fourth is due to the evolution of carbon dioxide, isn't it? And there is glucose is converted into ethyl alcohol. So industrially, fermentation process is used for the preparation of liqueur and ethyl alcohol. Already we have discussed the molasses, cane sugar juice can be directly converted into ethyl alcohol or can remain byproduct of the sugar factory, that is molasses, undergoes fermentation by addition of yeast. There is production of ethyl alcohol. Nowadays, the ethyl alcohol can be produced from the starch, from the fruit pulp, from the food grain, isn't it, by fermentation process. From the fruit juices, isn't it, grape juice is converted into wine, isn't it? It is nothing but ethyl alcohol that is prepared by this fermentation process. So these are the several methods for preparation of alcohol. Do the practice, know the reaction mechanism, and we will discuss in next lecture, that is properties, chemical properties and physical properties of alcohols.